You guys hear the news? Oh, this is gonna be a big one. You guys are gonna be surprised by this one. Wait, 1 second. Hoodie engaged. Indoor sunglasses engaged. Nancy freaking Pelosi bought Bbig. Let's go! Not only did she buy the freaking dip of Bbig, but she's also confirmed to be a member of the board of directors at Tyde. This is some absolutely massive news, because as you guys can see, Nancy Pelosi, along with her senator and House of Representative colleagues, have all beaten the market right here. Here's the measly SPY having one of the best years in its career, and all of these senators, including Nancy Pelosi, Speaker of the House, have actually beat the market in 2021. So with Nancy Pelosi buying Bbig, that's absolutely massive, and that could be a huge reason we've seen back-to-back 20% plus days in the stock. Now, this is a joke, okay? So you have to understand this is 100% satirical. She did not buy Bbig. She is not a member of the Tyde board of directors. But this misinformation for Bbig is crucial to be spread around just as a meme. All right, I'm not saying to actually spread misinformation. Misinformation is bad, but let's just get it trending on social media, guys. Nancy Pelosi bought Bbig. Tweet it out, retweet it, get it trending, because let me tell you, we're going to the moon. Another thing, I need to give you guys homework. You guys have to like this video. I'm not even asking you guys to like the video for my own personal gain. Yes, I do get personal gain out of you guys liking the video. It's the #1 way to actually help out my channel, but also it will help get this video trending. It will help out the YouTube algorithm, which in result will promote this video. More people will see the thumbnail title, clickbait, Nancy Pelosi bought Bbig, and Bbig further goes to the moon. It works very, very simply. Also, I need you to go search on YouTube, find every other YouTuber that is covering Bbig and like their videos as well. Retweet every tweet about Bbig. Do everything you guys can. This is a team effort. We need to pump the stock. Now, with this being said, you have to understand all of this is satire. It's a joke. It's for entertainment purposes only. So you could very well lose a ton of money buying this stock. In fact, during my entire live stream today, I never once said to buy this stock once. I said take profits if you guys want. The only time I ever even suggested hinting at possibly buying a stock was when it was at a dirt cheap bottom of $2.30. At every other point, yes, you could have made money, but it is a chase. So understand the risks that are involved. I don't want to see any crybaby bag holders in the comments that are buying this stock now and lose money and try to blame me, because I'm telling you right now, the only thing I have said is to sell. I'm not saying to buy anymore. Anyways, with that disclaimer out of the way, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Moomoo. Get an extra share of AMC stock as long as you deposit $100 on their platform. It has the best brokerage promotion on top of that. All right, you have until February 7th to claim your 1 free share of AMC stock. Their brokerage promotion, you get up to $7,000 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on their platform. So you guys can check it out. Link is in the description below or pinned comment section. Anyways, getting into the market cipher, market sniper technical analysis. Again, on the weekly chart, we printed the green dot. We're going to start with the weekly, move down to some of the lower time frames. 5-day chart, again, printed the green dot. 3-day, it's all looking good. It's all looking good. Even the daily chart right here is still potentially looking good, although the VWAP, which is the yellow right here, is curving down just a little bit. 4-hour, this is where it's getting spicy and dicey. It is very overbought on this 4-hour chart. We're also seeing the VWAP curve down a little bit. I do expect there will be a little stall out period for at least 1 to 2 days. If we're looking at the other 2 times that Bbig has actually pretty pumped on Market Cypher. There was a few stall out periods. Here was a stall out period. Here was a stall out period, right? And then right here, there was a stall out period when it pumped in October as well. So I am expecting a stall out period. I am expecting volatility. And to be quite honest with you guys, it's probably going to sell off at some point in the near future. It doesn't mean it goes all the way back down here to $2.20, but it does mean that by chasing, you could in fact lose some money. I don't give any price targets. It's entirely up to you guys. When you guys want to sell, I don't sell shame. I don't care. If you made a bunch of money, you can sell. Tons of people were up hundreds, even thousands of percent on their BBIG options. You can sell those, okay? I don't care. There is a Fibonacci level, however, at around $4.40 right here. So that could potentially be the next resistance point. We blew through the $3.60 resistance point level where I thought we'd see some resistance, and now we're coming back down. Also here on the hourly chart, it did print a red dot. So again, guys, there could definitely be at least a short-term stall out or pullback, especially with options expiration for January 14th being tomorrow. That being said, the open interest here on the January 14th options are not too impressive. Majority of the option contracts are actually in the money right now, and max pain is at $2.50. So I am in fact expecting a red day tomorrow, since market makers are likely going to try to get some of these options out of the money here. Looking at the January 21st, 2022 options expiration, it is absolutely delicious. We have a massive gamma ramp. Looking at the open interest for the $4 strike, it's 31,000, 31,000, 76,000, 22,000, 74,000, 36,000, 15,000, 54,000, 10,000, all the way up to $11 strike price. It's absolutely insane. Next week could be insanely fun, but remember, the markets are closed next Monday. Looking at the short squeeze leaderboard, BBIG is clearly right here in first place. It is the #1 short squeeze stock currently being traded. It's actually number 59. Again, guys, satire. Get used to it if you're subscribed to Hootmoney. 0 shares available to be shorted here on Fintel, and we've got an aggregate short volume ratio still extremely high at about 55%. The Ortex data is for the most part the same, but we also have the cost to borrow moving up to 47% as of today. Also, I wanted to show you guys this chart right here, because as you guys can see, the days to cover dropping is a sign that the stock is going to go up. We saw it right here. Days to cover shoots up and then it drops, and then shortly after, the stock price goes up. Right here, the same thing. The days to cover shoots up, then it drops, and then the stock price goes up as it drops. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. The days to cover got extremely high, with the 2 weeks days to cover being at 3.47 days. Now it is starting to drop, so we are going to be looking to take profits within the next 2 weeks, most likely. Personally, I think profits should be taken before January 21st, unless you're a long-term investor. But again, not financial advice. So here's where more speculation comes into play. Here is the flow from yesterday. As you guys can see, there were those two huge call option trades. 156,000 premium, 100,000 in premium right here. There's absolutely no signs that these have been sold yet. What I think is happening here is that someone knows something about Tyde. Usually when you see completely unusual options activity with out of the money call options, it means that someone knows something. And these are the most amounts of premium being traded on BBIG since October 25th. So I think someone probably knows something. We also have a lot of put options being played on this stock. 250,000 right here, 178,000 on right here. The beautiful thing about the put options is that these put option buyers are down because BBIG has been going up. Same thing today. Today, the call option volume was absolutely insane. Just look at this. But there was also a lot of put buyers as well, and we'll look at how the premiums match calls to puts. But again, guys, all of these put buyers are losing money on their trade, which could give them pressure to close those puts for a loss. If we show the charts right here, it was about a 74% bullish. So there still was a decent chunk of put buyers. Bulls are going for 121, 114, also February 18th and 414. Bears are going for later back here, 1216 and February 18th. The historical options flow, we're seeing the highest amount of call option volume in a single day since all the way back here in April, the last time BBIG trended upwards greatly. Now, if we're looking at the actual share price right below the historical call option volume, you guys can see when BBIG does have a volume spike in call options, it's typically a decent time to be selling. So again, watch out for this and look to sell, look to take some profits. Guys, we're up a lot since my original call at $2.30. I'm not going to sell shame anyone for taking profits. Here you guys can see the biggest option trades from today. The two biggest option trades were obviously those massive amounts of puts, but again, they are now down on these put options, so that is a very, very good sign. Also, selling of a call option, $72,000 in premium right here. So this floor trader is taking profits on their call options that they're probably up a lot on, so can you. Here you guys can see max pain for tomorrow's options expiration on January 14th. Max pain, again, this is a strike price that the stock tends to gravitate towards because that would mean the most amount of option buyers would in fact lose money. So that's at $2.50. So again, this is another reason why I think we may see a downturn as of tomorrow. But if we go to 121 2022, the max pain is at $4 a share. So that would imply that we actually go down tomorrow, but we come right back up into next week. And we also got two new unusual whale alerts. There is a link below in the description if you guys wanted to check out unusual whales. That's exactly how I found this BBIG play, so it's definitely worth checking out if you guys haven't already. They have a free version as well as a premium version. There was a free alert, which was a BBIG $3 put option that was fired at 13:40, so about 1:40 p.m. They are down on this trade. As you guys can see, the alert was fired here at $12 and it now is down to $6, so they're down about 50%. But there was also a $3.50 call option fired today, expiring tomorrow, and the call option is actually up on their money right here. It fired at around $20 and it's now up to $28. So that's all I got for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Remember, get it trending. Nancy Pelosi bought BBIG stock. It's satire, but it's gonna work. Also, like the video, guys. Help out that YouTube algorithm. Get Nancy Pelosi bought BBIG stock trending on social media. I don't care how you do it. Go like every other creator's videos as well. It's very, very important, especially throughout the next week. That's all I really got, guys. Check out Moomoo if you wanted that one free share of AMC. It's that first link below in the description, also in the pinned comment section. That's all I got. Signing off right now. See ya.